Well, here we are again, out in our happy place. Wonderful way to start the day, isn't it? Wonderful way to see the glory of God that we live with, live in, and are so appreciative of. Yeah. And the sights and the sounds of nature. Glory to God in the highest. And may His peace and goodwill be yours today, my friends. He's available, remember, if you need Him. He's with you. Emmanuel. And He loves you just because you're you, and that's the truth. My name is Mike Green, and I'm here to tell you the truth. God bless you.